The majestic ostrich, nature's running marvel. Be captivated by the world's largest and fastest bird, the ostrich, a marvel of the African savannah. Watch as ostriches sprint at speeds up to 60 miles per hour, with only 2 toes so he can run fast without losing energy. Their powerful legs battling predators with incredible force. Explore the ostrich's unique habits, from their intriguing mating dances to their ability to thrive on minimal water in harsh terrains. Discover their social dynamics, including fascinating pecking orders and communal nest care, a true testament to survival and community. Immerse yourself in this breathtaking glimpse of wildlife. Don't just watch, experience the awe of nature. Subscribe to our channel for more thrilling wildlife adventures.